Okay, ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nathalie. Happy birthday to you.
Any birthday wishes?
No.
Okay, ready to open your present?
Okay, go. Here you go.
Tap. Tear it up. Tear it
Tear
up.
it up. Tear it all up.
Go.
Get through it.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, you can do it. Yeah, woo, woo. Go, Natalie, go.
It's a box.
Pull the string in the middle.
No, because you have to cut it. Cut it for her. The scissors are right there.
Yeah. Oh, they were there next to my dresser.
What's in there? Oh my goodness.
What is it? Uh-oh.
Wait. Mi corto, ahorita vas a comer. Let me help right here, okay?
Okay.
There you go.
You want to get in there now?
It's hard. Wrapped really good.
Professional wrap.
There you go. There you go.
Uh-oh.
Now cut it.
Taped up.
Oh, this is everything.
Oh, she got it.
You want me to help you cut the tape? Or you go, no, she got it. She knows what she's doing.
Yeah, pull it, pull it. Yeah, you can do
Pull
it.
it,
Yeah.
pull it. Here, let me cut it then. Let me cut this side. Should open.
The other one's gonna.
On side. On our side.
You want me to?
Let's get the scissors, huh?
Here.
Get 'em.
She got it.
Well, let's see what else there is.
Goodness.
More
got
boxes.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, look
You
at
got more
that.
unwrapping to do.
Ooh.
Box after box after box after box. Ooh.
Someone got new kicks.
What is that? Ooh.
Do you know what it is? Can you guess?
Ooh. Very excited.
Claire's getting ooh.
Ooh.
Open it.
Ooh, look at that.
Wow.
Beautiful.
You like them? They're
Look at
nice.
that blue and pink, your favorite colors, and hearts. You like them? Yeah? Alright. Those are nice. Show
Good.
grandma. Show grandma your shoes.
Wow,
Those are
beautiful.
nice shoes.
They don't have big shoelaces. That's awesome.
So you don't have to worry about tying your shoe.
Yeah. One and more to go.
It's okay, here. I'll close it for you. Grab the next one.
Oh, grandma. Grandma's videotaping.
What do you think it is?
Uh-oh, Mom. The trash can's gonna be too loud.
No, he got them.
It's loud.
Hey, hey, hey. Here you go.
She takes every little thing.
Mira, she's very. Tiene que tomar todo.
Everything. Every little piece. You gotta find the tape pieces.
Just rip the box. I do.
Because you gotta open the tape. Look. There's tape right here.
Today you have to become an expert. You're gonna be opening presents and presents and. Ooh. Present,
that?
present,
Who is that?
and it lights up.
See the truck?
Present,
Press
present. The middle.
Right.
Oh, that's so
Wow.
cool.
It's
look
Sophia's
at that.
amulet. You like that? Do you like Sophia?
Do you want to wear it?
You can wear it on your birthday. It's a special birthday amulet.
Wow,
That
look at that, how
Sophia
it glitters. I love it. Beautiful. Wow,
that's
I love that. that, baby. Do you like it?
Who's on there?
Wow.
Look. Who's that?
Sophia.
Do you like it? Look at the tutu. It's your PJs. You could be a princess with your PJs.
Good. Next. Beautiful. I love it. Don't you love it? A ver, acá un lado.
Claire, you can't open the presents till you.
What do you think it is? Si le das a piece of pancake,
Doesn't like it.
es que le pones a little de syrup porque está muy... It's the other way, mijo. The front is
I'm
on
gonna
the...
help you with the tape part.
Happy birthday to you.
Now lift it. Lift this part. Okay.
Look at the face she makes when I try to give her pancake.
Did you put syrup
Oh
on it?
shit. Oh, now you want it?
That's because the texture is something new for her. Okay. Take all four sides on that one. There you go.
Ah, more clothes. You're gonna look beautiful.
You're gonna look like a little princess with all this clothes. Look
Look at that.
You look at your leggings. You like the one with the flowers? Yeah. And a pink sweater.
Oh, that's so cute.
And then you have more little leggings over there too. You can wear those with boots, with your new shoes. Yeah.
Yeah. One more. What do you think it is? What do you think it is? Huh? Uh-oh.
Wow.
You know what it is? Do you know what it is? It's a game. It's a Princess Candyland game. And it has all the princesses, and you look on the back. You can play. You put it out, and you can play, and you put these little princesses on these little. You'll see. You'll see when you open it. But it's a fun game.
Do you like it? I love it. Yay!
Yay! So those are all your presents, Natalie. Well, from your puppy and me. It's all your princess clothes and your princess necklace.
Do you love the necklace?
Let me take it off for you? Here, let me see. You can wear it. Let me see where's the...
Say thank you. Nathalie. Nathalie.
Make sure it's right. See, it even turns on. Look, there's a button right here. Look, this is where the button is. And it has glitter inside.
What?
It's nice. What do you say, Mama? What do you say? The nice words. What do you say?
Magic word.
The magic words. Huh?
Oh, please. It's one of the magic words. Look at this sweater. It's pink.
It's beautiful. So what do you say, Mama? Say it. Say it. You can say it. You're not gonna say it? Say thank you.
Your papi's gonna see
Here,
this. and
say
he's gonna
hi,
wanna-
Papi. Thank you. Hi, Erica. Thank you. Eli. Thank you. So what do you say?
Your papi's gonna see it. He's gonna see the video. He's gonna want to hear you say thank you. Because your papi's at work, baby.
Any words, Mama?
Speechless.
Speechless. Nothing? That's it?
Are you clear right now?
Thank you. What do I do?
Oh, here.
Thank you on behalf of Natalie.